Hello everyone, welcome back to the TingTink channel. I'm so happy you're here for today's lesson, and in this episode I want to share with you a very important topic. Top, study smarter, not harder. Maybe you've heard this phrase before, but in today's session I'll give you 9 practical secrets with real-life examples and instant exercises so you don't just listen, you actually do it right away. So sit back, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Secret number 1, study in short bursts. Many learners believe the longer they study, the better. But the truth is, our brain remembers best in short, focused sessions. Imagine studying for 2 hours straight. By the 60th minute, your brain gets tired, your eyes drift, and in the end, you don't retain much. Take the solution, short study cycles. For example, 25 minutes of study, 5 minutes of rest. Let's practice right now. Choose 5 simple words. Travel, improve, daily, mistake, journey, step 1. Say each word out loud. Step 2. Put them into sentences. I travel every summer. Mistakes help me learn. This is my English journey. Step 3. Close your eyes and repeat. Then take a 5-minute break. Drink some water, breathe deeply. Just 15 minutes like this can be more effective than an hour of non-stop studying. Secret 2. Mix and match. Boredom often comes from doing only one thing for too long. Reading only. Doing exercises only. That's boring. Your brain is like your body. If you only train one muscle, it gets tired and inefficient. So combine different activities in one study session. Let's practice. Listen to this short story. I went to the market yesterday. I bought some apples. They were delicious. Now, rewrite it with your own details. I went to the bookstore. I bought a book. It was interesting. Next, read your sentence out loud. In just 6 minutes, you've practiced listening, writing, and speaking. That's way more powerful than just reading passively. Secret 3. Teach back. One sign you truly understand something is when you can teach it to someone else. Let's try right now with the structure. I'm going to for future plans. Example, I'm going to visit my friend. Explanation, we use I'm going to when we talk about future plans. Example, she's going to call me later. Now imagine you're teaching a friend. Say it like this. Hey, let me show you. I'm going to means a future plan. For example, I'm going to travel next summer. When you teach, you turn knowledge into your own words. That's when it sticks. Secret 4. Sleep preview trick. Did you know? While you sleep, your brain keeps working to store memories. So, spend just 3 minutes reviewing before bed. For example, review these phrases. Sounds good. No worries. I'm in. Say them out loud, then close your eyes and imagine real situations. A friend invites you to dinner. Review. You smile and say, I'm in. Someone thanks you. You reply, no worries. The next morning, you'll remember them much more clearly. Try it tonight and you'll see. Secret 5. Micro shadowing moments. You don't need 20 minutes of shadowing all at once. Use small moments in your day. Examples: waiting for the kettle to boil. Repeat, I'm going to the market. In the elevator. Whisper, sounds good. Walking to the bus. Repeat, No worries, I got it. These little moments add up to hours of practice by the end of the day. Secret 6. The one focus rule. Many learners make the mistake of trying to learn everything at once: grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, listening, reading, writing. The result? Confusion and slow progress. Instead, focus on one target for 1 week. Examples: Rule Week 1. Practice only present perfect. I have done, I've been. Week 2. Learn only 20 conversation phrases. Sounds good, got it, my bad. Clear goals, faster progress, plus real results. Secret 7. Gamify your learning. Your brain loves rewards, so make English learning into a game. Example point system: watch one English video, 5 points. Shadow 10 sentences, 10 points. Speak English for 5 minutes, 20 points. When you reach 100 points, give yourself a reward: chocolate, a movie, or a nice walk. Suddenly learning feels fun, not heavy. Secret 8. Learn in real contexts. Vocabulary and grammar are hard to remember if you study them in isolation. But when you put them in real-life situations, they stick. Examples: instead of repeating delicious, imagine you're at a cafe. Take a bite of cake and say, "Wow, this cake is delicious." Or with busy: I'm so busy today. First, I need to finish my homework. Then, I have to meet my friend. Look around right now. Pick any object near you: your phone, a book, a cup of coffee, and make a simple sentence. This book is interesting. My phone is new. This coffee is hot. That's how you stamp English into your daily life. Secret 9. Active listening. Many learners play podcasts or videos like background music. Their ears hear, but their brain isn't engaged. That's passive listening. Smarter way: active listening. Participate in what you hear. Example: you hear, he's running late today. Pause. Repeat, he's running late today. Then add, I'm running late too. Or when listening to news, ask yourself, do I agree? What's my opinion? Practice now. After this podcast ends, replay a short section. Pause. Repeat. Add one of your own sentences. Just 3 minutes will make a difference. My friends, we now have 9 smart secrets to learn English better. Study in short bursts. Mix and match, teach back. Sleep preview trick. Micro-shadowing moments. One focus rule: gamify your learning. Learn in real contexts. Active listening. But remember, don't try to use all of them at once. Pick one secret, practice it consistently for 1 week. You'll be surprised at the change: faster memory, more confidence, and most importantly, learning English becomes joyful. Thank you for joining me today. This is the TingTink channel. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode, where we'll go even further and make English a natural part of your daily life.